He's 9 months old yesterday.
How much old is it?
9 months.
9 months?
Uh-huh.
It's not a long time.
It's not. Not very.
It's after a long time. When he's 11 months, we'll be 6 years old.
No. Let's see.
When he's 1
When he is 11 months old, you will still be 5.
what if he was 20 months old?
When he is 20 months old, you will be 6.
If he's 20, we would be 6.
He's on the move. Hi, bud. Come on, let's see your real crawling guy. There you go. There. You still like that method, huh? The one-armed bandit. You still like it? There we go. There's some real crawling. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. You are on the move. There's some crawling. Hi. Hi, handsome. Let's see you. Oh, did you find something on the floor?
The pinata!
You'll find any little thing.
First thing on your birthday is a pinata.
Oh, look at that. Very beautiful.
It's a pinata. You got the candy. Good job, Susan.
Oh, there he goes. He's crawling.
You're a pinata.
Hi, handsome. Hi, let's see some claps. Hi, bud.
The pinata.
You're crawling. Oh, there we go. He's back down. Okay, okay. Okay.